What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy jkoolii back with another video. Today is gonna be a little special video. You feel me? I got some upgrades, not really engine wise, but you know, cosmetics and all that good stuff. So in today's video, we're gonna be getting a diffuser and a new steering wheel. I've been debating whether I wanted to put this stuff on because I don't know, it's kind of cheesy a little bit, and it does devalue your car.
Okay.
But, you know, for y'all, I know y'all like to see, you know, different stuff and stuff like that. So, right here in the back seat, we have a diffuser. This is the new diffuser for the 2021s. It's only available for the 2021s. This doesn't go on the narrow bodies at all. So, I guess you could say 2020s too. So, basically, all the wide body Chargers, you got to get a specific diffuser because the old ones, they just don't fit on the wide bodies. It's a different style bumper. So yeah, I love this steering wheel right here, but only reason I didn't want to change it is because, you know, heated steering wheel and all that stuff like that. And if I put the new one on, I'll lose that unless it came with the heated option. I don't really know. I got to talk with the guy. I didn't really think about it until, you know, hindsight. But you know, it is what it is. You make mistakes, you learn from it, all that good stuff, whatever. So I'm gonna see how I like it. If I don't like it, I'll just change it back. You know, no harm, no foul. Yeah, so I was gonna put the wicker bill. It's not even back there, but I was gonna put the wicker bill on. But I feel like it's gonna slow me down on my quarter mile. So I'm gonna just hold off on the wicker bill till I get all my times and stuff like that, and just go from there. So yeah, so we're putting on a carbon fiber steering wheel. I'll put a picture of it somewhere, whatever, or y'all see it. You know, this is what it look like regular, and then y'all gonna see the difference, man. So yeah, I'm gonna put this diffuser on. It's not the carbon fiber one. I didn't want the carbon fiber because there's nothing else carbon fiber on my car. I mean, technically my dash, but on the outside there's nothing carbon fiber, so it doesn't make sense to have just one piece of carbon fiber. I don't even think it's real carbon fiber, but we'll see. So I'm gonna up the next gen speed. Follow those guys on Instagram. They do good work. They did a lot of my friends stuff. So yeah, I'm going up to them. They're gonna put on the steering wheel for me, the diffuser, and we're gonna make a little cinematic video for y'all. Hopefully I like it, y'all, because I feel like I'm not gonna like it, but we'll see, y'all. Y'all tell me what y'all think in the comment section below. If this is your first video, like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to watch an ad or two. Feel me? I know y'all be like, don't say that, whatever. I'm trying to get this cheese, man. Skip all the bull crap. But yeah, we're gonna put this on, that on, and I'll see y'all later when it's on. Deuces. Alright, y'all, this is the finished product. Got the diffuser on. Didn't get the wicker bill. I know it's dirty, but this is the steering wheel. That junk is hard though. I can't lie. It ain't heated, but it is what it is. Come up the next gen speed.
Anything you need.
Yes, sir. Alright, y'all. I'm back in the car now. Just left next gen speed. Go fuck with them on Instagram. I don't know if they got Facebook or anything, but follow them on Instagram. I'll put their tag somewhere in the video. But this boy hard, so like they got like the red strip at the top, the gloss, carbon fiber, then the Alcantara, and then you still keep all the stock, you know, stuff, and you still keep the lights and stuff like that. It is flat bottom, but yeah, this is hard. Like I was debating whether I want to put it on or not, but I don't know, y'all. What y'all think? Leave a comment below. I'm gonna let y'all check out the diffusers right fast. I gotta go get some gas right fast. Let me show y'all how much it costs to fill this boy up. Cause let me see what I'm at right now. Ooh, big cat. But so I'm dang near, well, might go quarter for real. But y'all gonna see how much 3/4 cost. That's the damage, y'all. $51, bro. $51.
technology and first of its kind touchscreen interface.
I'll let y'all look at the diffuser right fast. That don't look hard to me. Oh, but yeah. So this is about to be the end of the video. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. I know it's a short video, y'all, but I just got off work and I'm tired. And this is the second video I done shot today. So bear with me. I'm gonna let y'all get a little POV action. And then we going home, we gonna eat, go get some sleep. And then get ready for tomorrow. So another day, another dollar. This is a different day, as you can clearly see. It is raining. I don't know if it was raining in the last video because it's been a few days, but it's raining. Matter of fact, let me spit this gum out. Alright, so look. Today, relax. So today we're gonna be going on my boy TJ's shop. He's gonna put on my my secret sauce. I don't know if I'm gonna tell y'all yet. I'm gonna let y'all find out what it is a little later in the video. I don't want to spoil it for y'all. It's like, no, I'm just playing. So basically what I have here is a it's kind of hard to do with one hand, so bear with me. Yes sir, y'all know what that is. Ow. If you don't, read it. It says it's a 3.1 grip tech pulley. So basically I'm getting tuned pretty soon. I'll tell you guys who I'm getting tuned by once I start tuning and everything. But I'm putting a pulley, a new Gates belt. These are the tools for the pulley. So all I'm doing is like a little bit smaller pulley than stock. So it's not gonna be like a major, you know, boost upgrade or anything. This type of pulley only adds about, I want to say 1 to 2 pounds of boost. So that's literally all I'm doing. I'm not changing anything else. I'm bad, but yeah. So I'm not changing anything else really with the car. I'm just getting a 93 tune and a 3.1 pulley. I was gonna do the ported, all that stuff, but the way my schedule's set up, I can't do that. Some people are just going with the ported setup and then doing a 93 tune, but I wanted to do, based off my you know, my situation, I'm gonna just do a pulley and a tune. And it's not a major pulley. It's a good brand of pulley, Grip Tech. I hear nothing but good things about Grip Tech. Everything about the clutch pulleys and everything, I kind of been hearing some crazy stuff about that. So we're just gonna go ahead and go with the Grip Tech. Like I said, it only adds about 1 to 2 pounds of boost. Technically, you really don't even need a tune to run this, because the computer would adjust to the extra 1 to 2 pounds of boost, because it's not really a lot, you know, for the computer to handle. But of course, to get the most out of the pulley and the tune or whatever, the pulley, really, you have to get a tune. So I'm getting a 93 tune. Everything else is gonna be the same. I don't want to do a 180 thermostat, so it'd be confusing the computer and stuff like that. Like I don't feel like dealing with that right now. Once I'm ready to go on E85, then I'll do everything, you know, the injectors, the booster pump, all that good stuff, the smaller pulley. But for right now, I just want to run like a low 10s. Like that's all I'm aiming for. I'll be taking this car to the track pretty soon. Once everything's done and settled. You guys gotta bear with me. It's gonna be a while, because you know my schedule, like I said, as you can see, you know, I literally got a day off and I'm doing this for y'all. Like whenever I get a day off, I put up a video, you feel me? Like I'm really trying to grind for y'all. So keep rocking with me. I'm gonna rock with y'all. We're gonna head over to my boy TJ's shop. He's gonna put the pulley on for me. I'm gonna just leave it up there until my HP tuners actually comes. It comes tomorrow. So TJ should be done tomorrow, and then I can start data logging tomorrow. So I don't know if I'll put that in this video, or you know, just make a separate video, just data logging and stuff like that, and walking y'all through that. But if this is your first time watching, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. We're on my way to my boy TJ's shop, and I'll see y'all when I get there. I'm out this thing. Peace. Alright y'all, so we just pulled up to my boy TJ's shop. This is the best muffler shop in Michigan. So if y'all need some muffler work done, y'all got y'all Scats, y'all Mustangs, even foreigns, man, bring it down to TJ's muffler shop. He'll take care of you. There go the number right there. It's on Flat Rock, Michigan. So if you stay in the like Taylor area, you'll be really close. If you stay a little further, it's gonna be a little drive. But yeah, I'm gonna go in here and talk to him, see what's happening, and go from there. Alright y'all, so I'm finally home from the shop. Like I said, I'm gonna pick it up when it's done, and then we're gonna start remote tuning for the first time. It's gonna be my first time remote tuning, so it's gonna be a little learning curve, but I'm pretty sure I'll figure it out. Like I said, I'm using HP tuners, and I'm going through Satera Tuning. You can check them out on Instagram, or I think they have a website too. But yeah, just check them out. I'm not gonna say they're new, but they're fairly new on the scene. I'm gonna give them a chance, show them, you know, I seen their numbers and stuff like that, and I was liking what I seen with their videos. So I'm gonna give them a shot, let them tune the Redeye, and we'll go from there. If this is your first time watching, like, comment, and subscribe from me. Go ahead and watch an ad or two, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.